Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get small image thumbnails while viewing images using Photos app in Windows 11 running PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just select the respective image file and just right mouse click on it and click on open with and select the Photos application. Now the image will get open in the Photos application. So now in order to get a small image thumbnails, what you need to do is just click on this left bottom icon, so film strip, just click on it. Now you can see here, once you click on it, it will show you the small image thumbnails. So you can directly access all the images directly from this small thumbnails by clicking on it. So if you want to hide it again, just click on this icon again, and it will get hidden. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get small image thumbnails while viewing images using Photos app in Windows 11 running PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.